It's winter and maybe you want a warm, fulfilling soup. Today we have just the thing for you. Borscht. This soup is like a warm hug on a chilly day. It's cold outside, maybe even snowing. You come inside, cheeks rosy, and a steaming bowl of borscht is waiting. This vibrant, beetroot-based soup is not just delicious, it's pure comfort food. Originating from Eastern Europe, it's packed with veggies and bursting with flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is easy to follow and sure to impress you, your friends, and your family. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, nothing too fancy here, just good, honest food. For the soup beetroots, these beauties give the soup its stunning color and earthy flavor. Carrots, for a touch of sweetness. Potatoes, to add some heartiness. Onion, because every good soup needs onion, right? Garlic, a little garlic goes a long way in adding depth. Vegetable stock, the base of our delicious soup. Bay leaf, for a hint of fragrant magic. Salt and pepper, seasoned to your liking. For serving sour cream, a dollop adds a lovely creamy contrast. Fresh dill. Its fresh, slightly aniseedy flavor is the perfect finishing touch. Now the fun part. This is where we transform our ingredients into a pot of pure deliciousness. First, let's prep our veggies. Give everything a good wash. Peel the beetroots, carrots, and potatoes. Dice them into bite-sized chunks. Finely chop the onion and garlic. Now we can sauté the aromatics. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pot. I prefer to use coconut oil for all my cooking. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened. Throw in the garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant, then add the rest. Now it's time for the star of the show. Tip in the diced beetroot, carrots, and potatoes. Give everything a good stir, then pour in the vegetable stock, or you can use chicken stock if you like. Cover the veggies with vegetable stock. Toss in the bay leaf. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 45 minutes or until the veggies are tender. Now, let's blend it up. Carefully, it's hot. Transfer the soup to a blender and whiz it up until smooth. Alternatively, use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Okay, now let's season the borscht to perfection. Return the soup to the pot. Season generously with salt and pepper to your taste. Borscht is a wonderfully versatile soup. Here are a few ideas to make it your own. Meat lovers, add some diced cooked beef, pork, or sausage along with the veggies for a heartier meal. Veggie boost. Throw in some chopped cabbage, celery, or bell peppers for extra vitamins and flavor. Spicy kick. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce for a fiery twist. Lemony zing. Stir in a squeeze of lemon juice just before serving for a refreshing tang. When all is ready, ladle the piping hot borscht into bowls. Top with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of fresh dill. Grab a spoon and enjoy. This soup is even better the next day, so feel free to make a big batch and enjoy it for leftovers. Serve it with crusty bread for dipping or a side salad for a complete meal. Borscht is more than just a soup, it's an experience. It's a taste of tradition, a reminder of home, and a celebration of simple, wholesome ingredients. Gather your family and friends, share a pot of this vibrant soup, and create memories that will warm you from the inside out.